Always wash yourself before painting, always. And especially this is oven technique, so you need to wash it more nicely. Okay? Squeeze it completely. Then again, how much water I am leaving here?
Very small.
Maximum 100 ml. Again squeeze. I have put in that water. Come.